Welcome to my project bazaar.com. Let me discuss about the project scanned image descreening with image redundancy and adaptive filtering. Let me discuss about the abstract of the project. Recover continuous tone, that is contone images from half-tone images. Develop a novel-based approach. Half-toning is a quantization process that reduces the bit depth of a digital image while trying to maintain its grayscale appearance. Descreening or retrieving a contone image from a half-tone is a problem not only of great theoretical interest as an ill-posed inverse problem, but also of significant practical usage. In our project, new model of scanned half-tone image process is implemented. This new approach considered both printing distortion and half-tone patterns by means of removing distortion in the image and adaptive filtering techniques applied. Initially, BM3D algorithm proposed, in which collaborative filtering is a special procedure developed to deal with these 3D groups. This BM3D is based on this novel denoising strategy. Next feature extraction process is proposed, such as screen frequency estimation and local gradient extraction. Image gradient is a directional change in the intensity or color in an image. Image gradients may be used to extract information from images. Next, adaptive filtering algorithm is used for filtering the scanned image with a required threshold value. An adaptive filter is a system with a linear filter that has a transfer function controlled by variable parameters and a means of to adjust those parameters according to an optimization algorithm. Then edge preserving algorithm has been proposed to preserve the edge of the scanned image. Here NLM algorithm is used for edge preserving. Non-local means is an algorithm in image processing for image denoising, which take the mean value of a group of pixels surrounding a target pixel to smooth the image. Non-local means filtering takes a mean of all pixels in the image weighted by how similar these pixels are to the target pixel. Finally, the descreened of the scanned image obtained. Let me discuss about the flow diagram for our process. First, capture the scanned image from the dataset folder. Next, image redundancy approach has been performed by using the block matching and 3D transform domain, that is BM3D algorithm. Block matching and 3D filtering is a grouping and collaborative filtering where noise image is divided into blocks in a sliding manner. Each block is processed by searching similar blocks with a fixed threshold. These matched blocks are stacked together to form a three-dimensional array. Collaborative filtering is a special procedure developed to deal with these 3D groups, whereas it using the three successive steps: three-dimensional transformation of 3D group, shrinkage to transform spectrum, and inverse three-dimensional transformation. The result is a three-dimensional estimate that consists of the jointly filtered group image blocks. By attenuating the noise, the collaborative filtering reveals even the finest details shared by grouped blocks, and at the same time it preserves the essential unique features of the each individual block. Next, in the feature extraction method, we use the steerable filter and screen frequency estimation. In feature extraction method, steerable filter has been proposed. A steerable filter is an orientation selective convolution kernel used for image enhancement and feature extraction that can be expressed via a linear combination of a small set of rotated versions of itself. As an example, the oriented first derivative of a two-dimensional Gaussian is a steerable filter. The oriented first order derivative can be obtained by taking the dot product of a unit vector oriented in a specific direction with a gradient. Next, in the screen frequency are estimated. Next, the features are extracted, which give to the adaptive filtering method, where the adaptive filter are filtered out based on the feature values. An adaptive filter is a system with a linear filter that has a transfer function controlled by variable parameters and a means to adjust those parameters according to an optimization algorithm. Because of the complexity of the optimization algorithm, most adaptive filters are digital filters. Adaptive filters are required for some application because some parameters of the desired processing operation are not known in advance or changing. The closed loop adaptive filter uses feedback in the form of an error signal to refine its transfer function. The idea behind a closed loop adaptive filter is that a variable filter is adjusted until the error is minimized. Least mean squares filter and the recursive least squares filter or types of adaptive filter. LMS algorithm, if the variable filter has a stepped delay line FIR structure, then the LMS update algorithm is specifically simple. Next, in the LLM operation, we preserve the edges using the non-local means algorithm. Non-local means is an algorithm in image processing for image denoising. Unlike non-local means filter, which take the mean value of a group of pixels surrounding a target pixel to smooth the image, non-local means filtering takes a mean of all pixels in the image weighted by how similar these pixels are to the target pixel. This results in much greater post-filtering clarity and less loss of detail in the image compared with the local mean algorithm. If compared with other well-known denoising techniques such as Gaussian smoothing model, the anisotropic diffusion model, total variation denoising, the neighborhood filters, and an enlagment variant, the Weiner local empirical filter, the transition invariant wavelet thresholding, the non-local means method, noise looks more like white noise. Finally, we obtain the result, which is the noise removal, that is, which is the resultant of the normal image, and we remove the half tone from the scanned image. Let me discuss about the running procedure for our process. Select the main.m file in the current folder, right-click that file and run for executing this process. This is the main window of the scanned image descreening. By pressing the read scanned image button, we can browse the image from the dataset folder. You can read any one of image from the dataset folder. Here I display the scanned image. By pressing the BM3D button, we can perform the block matching 3-dimensional transformation algorithm. And this process will be repeated for 3 bands, that is red, green, blue. This is the noise external representation for the red band. This is the denoised external with PSNR value for red band. This is green band, that is initial PSNR value representation. This is the final denoised PSNR value for green band. This is the blue band representation for initial PSNR. This is the external denoised external PSNR value for the blue band. Here I display the BM3D image. By pressing the feature extraction button, we can extract the features. Here I have extracted the feature values with the help of steerable filter. By pressing the adaptive filter button, we can perform the adaptive filter operation for every band. This is the adaptive filtering algorithm. Here I display the adaptive filter result image. By pressing the NLM button, we can perform the non-local means algorithm. This is the edge preserving algorithm. This process will be repeated for every 3 bands. This process will take some time for executing. Finally, we got the contour image. It will be removed from half tone from the scanned image. The proposed adaptive filtering based descreening method can produce high quality continuous tone images for scanned half tone images. Thank you.